Do you feel emotionally low? Do you feel you need to work on your emotions? Do they keep you drained most of the time? I want to teach tools which will help you bring balance in your emotional health. In this free webinar, I am going to talk about the Panchakoshas and the yoga practices. And once we learn them, once we understand the whole theory behind them, we will master our emotions. Hi, this is Abhirami. I'm the founder of Prana. I'm a self-healing expert and I've come up with this vision where I want to support people with their well-being. And this is one of the topics that I'm going to cover on my upcoming webinar. So be part of it.